Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the April month's fab bag. So before we go ahead, it'll be really nice if you could subscribe to my channel, and also if you don't want to miss out any of the future videos, all you have to do is click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Without any further ado, let me just go ahead and open the bag and show you what all we have for the month of April. So firstly, opening up, you get to have 3 cards, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. As usually, you get to have a fab bag contest. What you have to do is click a picture of what's in your April fab bag and use the hashtag in my fab bag and put it on your social media, and you would stand a chance to win a City Color Be Matte lipstick in the shade Lola. That's a nice shade. 10 winners are to be announced, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and do that. And also we have a coupon code from Organic Harvest. You get to have 15% off on your first transaction on their own website, which is www.organicharvest.in, and you have to use the promo code here. If you are interested, you can make use of the promo code that I am showing you right now. And then you have the info card, which I'm not gonna read as usually. It's Sugar Matte Has Hell Crayon Lipstick, and I have got the shade 17 Brandy Harrington. This is the shade that I am wearing on my lips. If you can see, this is a gorgeous shade. My liking, I really love these sort of shades basically, and you get a sharpener along with it. I am opening this up to just show you okay, I'm gonna do it here. This is very creamy, to be honest, very creamy. I think this would melt off if you are gonna keep it outside, because it's so hot in here. This is definitely gonna melt if you're gonna keep it out. Let me try that, okay? And the second product for this month is the Inara Cosmo Beauty Nail Lacquer full size for 450 rupees. This is the product, and the Matte Has L lipstick retails for 799 rupees. And here we go with the second product. You get a nail lacquer. I don't think so they had an option to choose the color for this one. You would receive a random shade, and this one is for 450 rupees. I don't know if it is worth 450 rupees. So this is a beautiful red shade. If you can see, this beautiful red shade. And the next product that we have in this month's box is from Organic Harvest, which is the Diamond Shine and Glow Facial Kit, and this is also a full-size product which retails for 295 rupees. So here you go. This is a 30-minute makeover home salon facial kit. Diamond facial kit. Yeah, I think diamond suits me. Yeah, diamond should definitely suit me. Let me see. You get to have 6 sachet inside, which you can use. You get a cleansing milk, exfoliating face scrub, massage cream, mask, serum, and also a sunscreen. Whoa, sunscreen and a facial kit. Exciting. I really like, when I saw the sunscreen, I'm like, wow. Okay, so that's the next product. And the next product is from Chronocare Stop Hair Mist, Stop Hair Mist, which means it's for your pollution. And this is a sample size kit. Yeah, no, this is a full size product. Oh wow. And this one is for 395 rupees, and you get 30 ml of it. Leave-on protective screen against pollution for hair, for all hair types, okay? Invisible shield against pollution nanoparticles that protects, nourishes, and strengthens the hair. Quite exciting, isn't it? And the last product is a bonus product, okay? So the bonus product for this month, I think this is not a full-size product for sure, which is from Bio Bloom Face Moisturizer, and with natural actives suitable for all skin types. I really like the fragrance of Bio Bloom products. They're really nice, and I think this is gonna smell really nice because it has vanilla, jojoba oil, and cucumber. exciting. But this has cucumber juice, aloe vera extract, vegetable glycerin, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, wheat germ oil. Wow, there are like so many oils, vanilla oil, and purified water for that matter. I think this sounds quite exciting. Let's see how this works. So that's all for this month's fab bag. I am quite happy, like I'm entirely happy with this month's box. Let me know if you have got the fab bag and how you feel about this month's box. I'm like really happy, really happy. So yeah, if you haven't got the bag, I think this month could be really nice purchase. If you're like confused, you definitely can go ahead and get the products, because you get to have skincare, hair care, face care, and also makeup included, which is a nice thing. You can go ahead and get one for yourself. And yeah, with that we finished the unboxing of this month's fab bag, and I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care, bye.